front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit System. Now select Keyboard and Input Method, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Following that, hit Text Correction and manage all of those options however you want to. If you wish to access text correction settings much faster in the future, use gray switcher next to Show Suggestion strip to activate it. Go back, launch your keyboard and click on gear icon at the top of it to access text correction right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!